Children, listen, ma. Exercise 7.8, the continuation video. Question number 8, we are going to continue. Question number 8. I equal to integral pi by 6 to pi by 4 cosecant x into dx. Children, anyone remember cosecant x integral value? Ba? Cosecant x integral value, have you remember? Integral cosecant x into dx equal to, what is the integral formula? Log of modulus cosecant minus cot x plus c. This is the formula. Okay. So same thing I'm going to use here. When you apply integral, what I'm getting? Log of modulus cosecant x minus cot x limits pi by 6 to pi by 4. Pi by 6 to pi by 4. So that log of first upper limit log of cosecant pi by 4 cot pi by 4. Okay, this is upper limit minus lower limit log cosecant pi by 6 minus cot pi by 6. Right. Children, listen. Now log of, what is cosecant pi by 4 pa? Cosecant root 2. Cosecant pi by 4 what ma? Root 2. Cot pi by 4 pa? 1. Very good. Minus log of cosecant pi by 6 pa? 2. Okay, cosecant pi by 6 what ma? 2. Cot pi by 6 pa? Cot pi by 6 root 3. What, my dear? Root 3. Now this is look like a what na? Log a minus log b, so that we can use the formula log a by b. What formula you can use pa? Log a by b. So this formula I'm going to use, so that I can write this log of what is that? Modulus a by b. A value what? Root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus root 3. That's it. This is our required I value. Okay, this is our required I value. Question number 8 answer ma. Now 9th one, let's start pa. 9th one, let's start. Integral 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1. Ma, is that book bag answer correct for 8th one? Okay. 9th one, what is that? 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx. So 9th one I have written there. This is directly what formula pa? Sine inverse. So integral 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square into dx na. That is sine inverse x plus c. This is the formula. So that I is equal to sine inverse x limit 0 to 1. So that sine upper limit first, sine inverse of 1 minus sine inverse of 0. For what angle sine you will be getting 1 ma? That is sine 90. Okay, what my dear? 90. That is pi by 2. Minus for what angle you will be getting sine inverse 0? 0 degree. So that which is equal to pi by 2. Is that our required answer for question number 9? Okay. Then question number 10, let's start ma. Question number 10, let's start ma. Question number 10, I is equal to integral 0 to 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Children, anyone remember what is the formula for 1 divided by 1 plus x square in the integral? This is what actually tan inverse. So directly tan inverse x plus c. But when we have a what is the limits definite integral, you should not use c. Okay, so that tan inverse x 0 to 1, c you should not put here. When we have a definite integral, c you should not use. So that upper limit what? 1. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. tan inverse 1, which means for what angle you will be getting 1 in a tan, which means pi by 4 minus 0. So that pi by 4 is our required answer for the question number 10. Can I have question number 8, pa? 8 answer. Is anyone writing question number 8? Right. So in the page, question number 11, let's start, ma. I is equal to integral 2 to 3 1 divided by x square minus 1 into dx. Children, is anyone remember the integral 1 divided by x square minus a square into dx formula? Is anyone remember this? Yes, sir. What is that? 1 divided by 2a log of what is that? X minus a va? X minus a, x plus a plus c. Okay. So this formula I am going to use. So instead of a value, we have here 1. That is you want to realize. Instead of a value, we have a 1. Okay. So 1 divided by 2 into a value 1 and log of x minus a value 1 divided by x value again, sorry, a value 1 plus c don't put and 2 to 3. What my dear? 2 to 3. Now where we have a constant that you can take outside. So 2 ones are 2. 1 by 2 if I take outside now, we can apply the limits for only the log. So that what I am getting? Log of first upper limit. 3 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Upper limit minus lower limit. So log of 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 1. So upper limit minus lower limit, we got it. The 1 by 2 in common, okay. Here log 2 divided by, 2 divided by 4 minus, here what you will be getting? 1 divided by 3. Okay. So when you cancel this, 1 time how many time? 2 time. Which is look like a log a by b, right? So that you write. So that log a by b. A value what? 1 by 2. Whole divided by b value what? 1 by 3. What my dear? 1 divided by 3. So 1 by 3 when you take to numerator, it will be reciprocal. So that log of 1 by 2 into 3 divided by 1, which is equal to what you can say, ma? Log 2 by 3 you can say. What my dear? Log 2 by 3. So here let me write 1 by 2 we have here log 3 by 2. 3 by 2. You can stop here or the power if you take there now you will be getting. What is book bag answer? Are they stopped here or they made it into a root? So you can write like this also. Log square root of 3 by 2 also you can write. I hope they will not do in a root. They stopped here, right? That is what. They will not do root and all. Because root only they are simplifying, so they will not convert into like this. Okay, we have done this page. Write fast, Raja, little. Write fast. And this one, question number 10 answer. Write fast. For next, question number 12. Let's go, Maharaja. Question number 12. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos square x into dx. Children, for cos square we don't have formula directly. So that cos 2x we can use. Cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This formula let's use. Okay, this formula let's use. Understand? Children, I need a cos square now. Cos 2x plus 1. 2 when you send divided by 2 which is equal to cos square x. So instead of cos square, this formula I can use. This formula I can use. So that I is equal to what I am going to replace 0 to pi by 2 cos square in the sense cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2 into dx. Just we are replacing the trigonometric identities. Okay. Now divided 2 you take outside, let it be commonly. Now remaining, let's take a integral. What is integral of cos 2x ma? Cos 2x integral what pa? Sin 2x divided by 2. Sin 2x divided by what, my dear? 2. Sin 2x divided by 2 plus 1 integral what ma? X. 1 integral what pa? X. That's it. In the since, if you wanna write, you can write. Okay, integral cos ax into dx na sin ax divided by a plus c, you can write. Integral 1 into dx na we can write 1 into x plus c. This is the formula used. Now integral 0 to pi by 2 limits we are applying. Now apply the limits. 1 by 2, let it be outside commonly. This 1 by 2 will write commonly here. Here I will write. Now sin pi by 2, if you are applying sin 2 into first upper limit sin pi by 2 and x also pi by 2 and minus what is that, lower limit. Lower limit what is 0. So that what we have 1 by 2 1 by 2 into sin 2 into 0 plus 0. So upper limit minus lower limit I applied. So commonly we have 1 by 2. Here you can cancel 2 one time cancel. That's it. So 1 by 2 into sin pi. Sin pi what are Raja? Sin pi what pa? 0 plus pi by 2 minus of see sin 2 into 0 0. Then fully it will become what pa? 0. That you leave it. So that what I am getting finally here, 1 by 2 into 0 into 1 by 2, 0 leave it. This also 0 you leave it. Finally what I am getting inside the bracket, pi by 2. So which is equal to pi divided by 4 is our required answer for a question number 12. Question number 12 answer over. Now let's go to question number what ma? 13. Question number what, my dear? 13. Integral 2 to 3 x divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Let's take I is equal. Ma, do you have any idea for question number 13 pa for taking integral? Children, we know the formula. What is that? Denominator, whatever we have, that you differentiate. If you have a numerator na, we can write that log of denominator. We can write that log of a denominator. That idea I am going to apply. X square plus 1 when you differentiate, x square derivative 2x, 1 derivative 0, which is equal to 2x. But I have only x. What is missing ma? So you 2 multiply. What do you do? 2 you multiply in numerator and 1 in denominator. X square plus 1 into dx. What I did, this 2 numerator 1 outside 1 denominator have multiplied. Then 2 to cancel meaning. Then no change in the question. Now you can use 1 by 2 into log of denominator. Log of a denominator and limits 2 to 3. Suppose the numerator x is not there na, you can say that tan inverse formula. But when we have a variable, you should not go that. Okay. 1 by 2, let it be outside. Now log of 3 square plus 1 upper limit minus lower limit. Log of 2 square plus 1. That's it. So that 1 by 2 into log 3 square na 9 plus 1 10. Log 10 minus log 2 square means 4, 4 plus 1 5. So don't think like you people are clever. In chemistry, log 10 means what they will be using? 1 they will be telling. That is in chemistry. Mathematically, when you have a log e, in the sense only 1. Log e base e. Okay. Mathematically, you should not say base 10. Generally in chemistry, log 10 base 10 they will say. But mathematically always base will be e, not a 10. You understand? So don't use 1 for log 10. So this is look like a formula what na? Log a minus log b, which is equal to log a by b. Log a by b, that formula I am going to use. So that 1 by 2 let it be log A value 10, B value 5. When you cancel, what I am getting, Daraja? 2. So that 1 by 2 into log 2 is my required answer for question number 13. Next question number 14. Let's start, Raja. I is equal to integral 2x plus 3 divided by 5x square plus 1. 5x square plus 1 into dx. Listen. So this one, see, when you are noticing that it is not in the denominator, also not in the factorization form, so you cannot go then partial fraction, then which is not in a standard form. So what do? Take the denominator, give it separately better. Okay, take the denominator, give it a separately. Okay, or else this idea you can go px plus q divided by any quadratic equation is there now. What you people will be doing, Daraja, for this? Px plus q is equal to a into derivative of denominator plus b. The point number 7 idea also you can use. That is also you can go. Better this idea I will use. Okay. So that 2x plus 3, numerator 2x plus 3 equal to a into derivative of denominator, that is 5x square plus 1 plus b. This is the idea. Numerator equal to derivative of denominator plus b. Okay. So numerator 2x plus 3, which is equal to a into, when I differentiate 5 into x square derivative what na 2x and 1 derivative 0 plus b. So when you simplify 10 times ax plus b. So this is 10 and a together, when I multiply 10 times ax plus b I am getting, this is 2x plus 3. Now you have to equating coefficient of x first, then constant. If you do like that, you will be getting the required value of a and b. Okay, first x, when you equate, 2 is equal to 10 times a. This is coefficient of x. So you will be getting the required value. Okay. Now let's go to Raja. When you cancel, 1 divided by 5 is equal to a. When you cancel 1 time, how many time? 5 times. So you will be getting the a value. Constant, when you equal to 3 equal to b. Directly I am getting the a value and the b value. After getting a value, b value, let's substitute where? Here. Instead of what are Raja? Instead of 2x plus 3, you can apply. Or else where? Yeah, there only. Okay, here in 1 you will apply. Then question equal to how it will be. Question equal to how it will be, we'll see. Then I is equal to integral 2x plus 3 whole divided by 5x square plus 1 into dx, which is equal to the 2x plus 3 only we are going to write like this. 2x plus 3 only we are going to write like this. Okay. What is that? 10 times a vada 10 times a value what, my dear? 1 by 5. 1 by 5 actually, wait ma. Actually, a into 10 you write. Ma, here this okay, but a you write first. A then 10x like this. So that a value 1 by 5 into 10x. Okay. Plus b. B means what ma? 3. Whole divided by what we have? 5x square plus 1 into dx. No change in this. We understand. Now you can take the denominator, give it separately. 1 by 5 let it be outside. 10x divided by 5x square plus 1 into dx plus 3 if you take outside now, 1 divided by 5x square plus 1 into dx you can say. So what do you think about first integral ba? What do you think about first integral? When you differentiate the denominator, I am getting numerator. Am I right? Then log of denominator you can say. So 1 by 5 into log of denominator, that is 5x square plus 1. Okay. Plus 3 into. What is this one? This one you want to write. See, 5 you take outside, or else How to write like x square plus a square, that you think. Okay, the 5 you can write how, Raja? 1 divided by root 5 x whole square you can write. Shall we write like this? We can write like this, then plus 1 square into dx. So which is look like a what, ma? Integral x square plus a square. That is tan inverse formula. Raja, integral 1 divided by x square plus a square, okay, into dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x divided by a. This formula we can use. Okay, this formula we can use. That is, I'm going to apply there. And 1 divided by 5 into log of 5x square plus 1 plus 3 into 1 by a. A value what here? 1. Leave it. And tan inverse of x. X means we have root 5x. What, my dear? Root 5 x divided by a value 1 plus c. Even though coefficient of x, whatever we have, you have to divide. What is coefficient of x? Root 5. So that whole divided by root 5 you have to mention. Okay, whole divided by root 5. So how you will be getting then? 1 by 5 log 5 times x square plus 1 plus 3 divided by root 5 into what is that? Tan inverse of root 5x. Tan inverse of root 5x plus c. That's it. Is that our required answer? Yeah, Raja. We forget to apply limits. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. For all you have to apply. Okay. This is 0 to 1. Okay. And this also 0 to 1 you have to apply. Then finally you can mention commonly one time 0 to 1. Together commonly we can mention what, ma? 0 to 1. So don't want plus c and all. Plus c and all you just remove. We forget the limits. Okay, what is that? 0 to 1. So in color I have mentioned the limit. You can identify very easily. Now we can apply the limits. Can I use the first page for using the limit, ma? Or I will move this side little. First page have you done? Yes. Now we can go for applying the limits, Raja. Suppose 1 if I am applying, what I am getting? 1 by 5. Suppose 1 if you are applying now, 1 by 5. What is that? Log here. Instead of x square, if you apply 1 na, 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, plus 3 divided by root 5. 3 divided by root 5. What we have? Tan inverse of root 5 into x na, root 5. Okay, this is upper limit. Minus lower limit na. What you will be getting? What you will be getting? Open the bracket. 1 by 5 log. So here x term 0 na, log 1. Log 1 that will be 0. Okay, leave it, later we will do. 3 divided by root 5. Tan inverse of root 5 into x na, x value is 0. Then tan inverse is 0. That is also 0. Okay, everything will become 0 lower limit. So 1 by 5 log 6 plus 3 divided by root 5. What is that? Tan inverse root 5. Okay. Remaining everything. Log 1 is 0. Tan inverse also 0. So directly you can write 0. That's it. Okay. If you want, you write one more step. Minus 0, which is equal to 1 by 5 into log 6 plus 3 divided by root 5 into tan inverse root 5. Tell me, ma'am, Abhinita Sri, why are you called me? Correct? Okay, pa. Ma, listen. Question number 16, pa. 15. Where is 15? 15 already we have completed, illa? Oh, sorry. In previous page we have 15. Right, pa. So 15th one, let's go, Raja. Okay. Question number 15. Integral I is equal to 0 to 1 x e power x square. Raja, e power x square into dx. Most of the people while looking question itself, they will think that we can go by highlight. Iterating by parts. But e power x square is there. That x square if you take as a t na, when you differentiate, you will be getting 2x into dx. 2 when you send opposite, there is x into dx. Directly we can complete this x into dx. We can write dt by 2. So directly we can complete this answer. So that I is equal to integral e power t into this x and dx became dt by 2. dt divided by 2. Don't put the limits here because limits given for x, not for t. Not for a t. When you convert into a t, you can use, or else listen carefully. Limits you have to convert into a t. This is x, this is t. So that limit 0 and 1 is given. Children, listen carefully. T equal to x square we know. If I am giving x equal to 0 na, t equal to 0 square equal to 0. So t is 0. If I am giving x value 1 in the sense, if I am giving x value 1 na, t equal to 1 square equal to 1. So there also 0 to 1, no change. There also what my dear? 0 to 1, no change. So here also what they are telling? 0 to 1. No change. Only for this question no change. Most of the question it will change totally. Be careful. 2 when you take outside. 2 when you take outside, what I am getting? Integral e power t into dt 0 to 1. So integral of e power t limit 0 to 1. So when you apply the upper limit e power 1 minus e power 0, so that 1 by 2 into e power 1 e power 0 1 you can say. That's it. This is required answer for a 15th one. Understand? Now let's go to question number 16. 16th I is equal to 1 to 2 5 times x square divided by x square plus 4x plus 3 into dx. Here there is one problem. How many of them noticed this? What is the problem, ma? Numerator, degree of numerator equal to degree of denominator. If you have like this, what I told to do? Long division we can go, or one more idea I gave. What idea I gave? Coefficient of highest power numerator divided by coefficient of highest power 5. Okay. Divided by coefficient of highest power in denominator 1. You can divide plus the same question. Plus what my dear? Same question you can write and you can continue. So this is I gave idea. This is I gave same idea, or you can go long division. Can I go this idea or long division? Long division you feel better? Then can I go long division? Wait. If you wanna go, or else I do both better. Wait. I do both. This I complete. So integral 5 let it be as it is. This one, okay. I mean substitute separate. Integral 5 into dx 1 to 2. Integral 5x square divided by this one you can take I factorization. What is I factorization? Product value 3, addition value 4. So that 1 3s are 3, add value 4. So that what I can say, x plus 1 into x plus 3 into dx. So that you can go by partial fraction. First one you will be getting, okay, this let it be. This is I is equal to, okay. This is what actually I is equal. So that first 5x square divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3. Both you can take. A divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x plus 3. If you take cross multiply na, what I'm getting 5 times x square divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3, which is equal to, when I take cross multiply, a into x plus 3 plus b into this one, we are taking cross multiply. Okay, when I take cross multiply, b into x plus 1, b into x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 into x plus 3. So you can cancel the denominator. Remaining, I have 5 times x square equal to a into x plus 3 plus b into x plus 1. This is answer number 2 you take, and this one I am taking answer number 2. Then this will be 3. Okay, this will be what, Raja? 3. Now put first this one I am taking x plus 3 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0 now. This implies x is equal to what I am getting, Raja? Minus 3. So that 5 into minus 3 square value 9 equal to a term will be 0 plus b into minus 3 plus 1 na minus 2. So that 9 5s are 45. Minus 2, when you send opposite, divide 2, minus will be that side, and b equal to minus 45 divided by 2. B value minus 45 divided by 2. Same manner, put x plus 1 equal to 0 na. This implies x is equal to minus 1. This is what actually 3 implies. So take this, apply in a 3, so that 5 into minus 1 square na 1 equal to a term minus 1 plus 3, in the sense a into 2 you will be getting, b term will be 0 because x plus 1 only we assumed as 0. So that b term will be 0. So that 5 divided by 2 is equal to a. Okay, both a value and b value we got it. Now let's substitute in the answer number, where Maharaja 2. Okay, now what is that? 1 2 only, 2 directly I am going to substitute here. So you take 1 implies. So that 1 implies I is equal to the 5 integral 1 to 2 5 into dx plus, sir, this 5x square we have written like this, I'm right. So you can rewrite that a by a value what, 5 divided by 2. A value what pa, 5 divided by 2 whole divided by x plus 1 plus b value minus 45. B value minus 45 divided by 2 whole divided by x plus 3 into dx. Okay, limits we have what, Maharaja? Limits 1 to 2. Apply the limits, apply the integral. So 5 into x integral dx na, x will come, so 1 to 5, and here 5 by 2 if you take outside na, this one log of denominator. What is that? Log of denominator, which means x plus 1 you will be getting, minus 45 divided by 2 also if you take, this is also log of denominator. So log of modulus x plus 3 you will be getting. Overall 1 to 2 is the limit. Now you have to apply the limit carefully. Have you done the first page, Raja? First page, okay. Or else I will move. First page you have done, I will move like this. 1 to 2 what, Raja? Wait. My first limit is 1 to 2. Okay. Now apply the limit, Raja. 5 into upper limit 2 minus lower limit 1 plus 5 by 2, let it be, log of x plus 1. X value what? Upper limit 2. So 2 plus 1 na 3 minus 45 divided by 2 and log of 2 plus 3 5. So 5. This is fully what, ma? Upper limit. Now minus lower limit. Minus of lower limit what? 5 divided by 2 log 1. Lower limit what, ma? 1. So 1 plus 1 na 2 I'm getting. What I'm getting? To log 2. Okay, minus 45 divided by 2 into log of 1 plus 3, 4 I'm getting. What I'm getting, ma? 4. This is lower limit. So you have to simplify carefully here. Right, fine. So that here I is equal to 5 into 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, plus 5 by 2 log 3 minus 45 divided by 2 log what ma? Again 5 minus you take multiply inside. So that minus 5 by 2 log 2, okay, log 2 minus into minus, this minus, positive 45 divided by 2 log 4. Now log A by B formula I am going to use. Log A by B you know very well. Log A minus log B na, we can use that log A by B. You can use that log A by B. Ma'am, so 5 by 2 is common. Am I right? That two terms you take outside. So 5 ones are 5. 5 by 2 when you take outside, log positive in numerator, negative in denominator. Negative means 2. 2 in denominator. Minus, not minus, plus 45 divided by 2. If you understand this step, okay, or else one more step you do better. 5 by 2 if you take outside, na, log 3 minus log 2. Like that you write one more step. Plus 45 divided by 2 if you take outside, na, plus log 4 minus log 5. Like that you write the remaining. Okay, now you can do that. 5 plus 5 by 2 log 3 by 2 you will be getting. Log 3 divided by 2. Same manner here, 45 divided by 2 na, log 4 divided by 5 I am getting. Log 4 divided by 5. 4 divided by 5. So you can stop your answer, or else little more enough. Little more enough. Enough. For next question number 17. Integral 0 to, sorry, I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 2 times secant square x cube plus 2 into dx. We know direct secant square we have integral, x cube we have integral, 2 also we have integral. So directly you can take integral. What is integral of secant square pa? Tan x. Okay. Integral of x power 3 na, x power 4 divided by 4. Integral 2 in the sense what pa? 2x. Okay. Directly you can apply 0 to pi by 4. Okay. First apply the upper limit. 2 into tan pi by 4 plus pi by 4 whole power 4 divided by 4 plus 2 into pi by 4 minus lower limit. 2 into tan 0 plus 0 power 4 by 4 plus 2 into 0. Now, Raja, this 2 cancel. 1 time, how many time pa? 2 time. What is tan pi by 4 pa? 1 plus pi by 4 divided by 4 power 4. See, 4 power 4, down one more we have. So that 4 power 4 itself you will be getting what actually? This is 16, this is 16, 16 16s are 256. Okay, this is what? Only for 4 power 4. One more 4 we have it down. That is also if you multiply what you will be getting pa. That is also if you multiply what you will be getting. One more 4 na. 24 remaining 2. 22 remaining 2 again 8 plus 1024 pa. What I am getting? 1024. Okay, 1024 next plus pi by 2 minus tan 0 0 0 anything 0 2 into 0 0, then everything became 0, that you leave it. So finally what I am getting? 2 into 1 and 2, so pi power 4 divided by 1024 minus pi divided by 2. Okay. Sorry, the previous step we have a plus pi by 2 pa. So here also plus pi by 2. Okay. That's it, Raja. Next we will go to question number 17. 18 okay 18 ma next question number 18 I is equal to integral 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 into dx. Raja, sin square cos square na we have formula. What formula? Listen, what is that? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, which is equal to what is the formula? Ba? Cos 2 theta formula. What, my dear? Cos 2 theta is the formula. But here sin in positive, cos in negative. So what do? You multiply negative on both sides. So that when I multiply negative, cos square theta plus sin square theta minus cos 2 theta you will be getting. But instead of theta, what we have here? X by 2. Don't forget. X by 2 na, the 2 when you send opposite, you will be getting minus cos square theta by 2. Cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 is equal to minus cos theta. So what I am telling, instead of this whole we can write minus cos theta. This whole we can write instead of that minus cos theta you can write. So 0 to pi, what is that? Cos, instead of x, instead of theta we have x. Then minus cos theta na minus cos x. Minus cos x into dx. That's it, Raja. Very simple. The whole question I became I brought like this. Okay. So that minus, what is integral of cos x ba? Sin x. Okay, 0 to pi. Apply the limit pa. So what I am getting? Minus what I am getting? Sin pi minus sin 0. Okay, so minus of sin pi 0, sin 0 0 is equal to 0. Is it true pa? Yes sir. 18th one is 0 it seems pa. Right pa. Ma, question number 19 we are going pa. I is equal to integral 0 to 2 6x plus 3 divided by x square plus 4. Children, into dx. From numerator, Raja, from numerator you can take 3 outside. So 0 to 2, what I am getting, if you take 3 outside na, 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4 into dx. Now listen carefully, x square derivative 2x. So easily you can write log of denominator, but there is plus 1. So that take a denominator, write separately. But 3 is common for both. So 0 to 2, 2x divided by x square plus 4 into dx plus 0 to 2, 1 divided by x square plus 4 into dx. Okay, now when you differentiate this, I am getting numerator. So that I can write log of denominator. So the 3 into log of denominator, that is x square plus 4. Okay, plus, and this is directly what pa? This is like a 4 you can write out ma. Yeah, very good. 4 you can write 2 square. So that this is the tan formula. Tan formula what? 1 by a, then tan inverse. Yeah. 1 divided by x square plus a square into dx na. 1 divided by a into tan inverse of x divided by a plus c. This is the formula. Okay. So one a value here 2, so that tan inverse x divided by a and limit value 0 to 2. Commonly, see I am not giving separately. Commonly I give one time. Okay. Now apply the limits ma. So first 3 into 2. Okay. Log 2 square na 4 plus 4 8. So log 8 minus 1 by 2 we have tan inverse. Here 2 by 2 what pa? 2 by 2 1. This is what? Upper limit minus lower limit. Log 0 square 0. So 0 plus 4 minus 1 by 2 tan inverse of 0 by anything 0. That's it. Okay. Okay, we can simplify this, my dear. outside we have 3 commonly we have, and log 8 minus 1 by 2 into tan inverse 1 na, that will be pi by 4. Pi divided by 4 minus log 4 we have minus log 4 and tan inverse 0 0, that you leave it. Okay. Now this both log A by B formula we can use. So that 3 log A by B, which means 8 divided by 4 minus 1 into pi pi, 4 2s are 8. This also you can cancel. 1 time how many? 2 time. 3 is commonly there outside. So that log 2 minus pi by what is that? 8. You can stop here. Hard. The 3 if you multiple inside na, 3 log 2 minus 3 pi by 8, or this 3 if you are taking here, we can say that log 2 power 3 minus 3 pi by 8, 2 power 3 na log 8 minus 3 pi divided by 8. Either you can stop here or you can go till the end. Where they stopped in book bag? So here itself. This one na. Huh? Here plus they gave. Children, listen here, plus here there is a plus 1 by 2, but I mentioned minus 1 by 2, sorry. That you change plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, plus pi by 8, plus pi by 8, plus 3 by 8, plus. But book bag they stopped here, appa. Book bag they stopped here it seems. If you wanna do few more steps you can do. Okay, be careful when you go. Question number 19 over. Question number 20 what they gave, let's see. Integral 0 to 1 I is equal to, let's take x into e power x plus sin pi by 4 into x overall dx. So this is we have. Rajam. So integral you apply separately. X into e power x into dx 0 to 1 plus 0 to 1 sin pi by 4 into x dx. So this one we have to go by highlight into what is that UV path. Okay. So that highlight if you are using na, sorry. So algebra, x is algebra, e power x is exponential. So that u is equal to x and v is equal to e power x. U dash is equal to 1 ma, integral v dx na, integral e power x into dx, which is equal to e power x. Okay. Now apply in the formula. Formula what? Integral uv dx is equal to u into integral v dx minus integral u dash into what is that? Integral v dx overall 1 dx. So this is the formula which I am going to use for the first one. So that I is equal to u value what ma? X. Okay. Integral v into dx na e power x minus integral u dash na 1 into integral v into dx na e power x into dx. Now this is for this alone. Okay. Right. And what is that? Plus what about this one? Sin Raja. That one what actually? Integral sin a x into dx. Integral sin x into x na minus cos ax divided by a plus c. This is the answer. So that minus cos instead of a pi by 4. So pi by 4 into x divided by pi by 4. Overall we can apply 0 to 1 the limit. Overall you can apply 0 to 1. So now what I am getting? I is equal to x into e power x minus integral 1 into e power x na e power x. For that again if you take integral na e power x only you will be getting plus pi by 4 when you take a numerator 4 by 5. But minus only we have. Here minus is there. So minus 4 by 5. minus 4 by pi. Cos pi by 4 into x. Overall we have a limit 0 to 1. So apply the limit, Raja. That's it. You will be getting the required. Okay. So I is equal to upper limit 1 e power 1 minus 4 divided by pi. What is that? Cos pi by 4 into 1 na same pi by 4 limit minus. Okay, minus lower limit 0 na 0 into e power 0 minus e power 0 minus 4 by pi cos pi by 4 into 0 cos 0. Okay, directly I am writing. Now what is this? I is equal to e power 1 means e minus what is that? 4 by pi cos pi by 4 na what pa? 1 by root 2 1 divided by root 2 minus when you multiple inside na 0 into anything 0 and e power 0 na 1 but minus 1 0 minus 1. Okay, 0 minus 1 minus 4 by pi cos 0 also 1. What my dear? Cos 0 also 1. Now simplify. So this is what? Plus e minus e cancel. Then I is equal to minus 4 divided by pi root 2 minus into minus plus 1. I mean this minus if you multiple inside. Minus into minus plus 1. I'm multiplying inside. Don't forget. Be careful. Okay. Minus and minus plus 1 and plus 4 divided by pi. Okay. If you want, you can simplify or else you can stop. Okay, Raja, this one we can try to simplify. Okay, if you take a conjugate na root 2 divided by root 2 na, what I'm getting? Minus 4 root 2 divided by pi into root 2 into root 2 na 2. Okay, plus 1 plus 4 divided by pi. So that you can cancel 1 time, 2 time. So plus number you write first. This one first. What is that? 1 plus 4 divided by pi minus 2 root 2 divided by pi. Okay, that's it. You can stop your answer. I hope this is a book bag, I'm right? Correct. Ma, question number 21 MCQ they gave Raja. Ma, this is directly we can go integral 1 root 3 1 divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Now what is the formula pa directly? Tan inverse x formula 1 to root 3. So that upper limit what? Tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1. So for what angle you will be getting root 3 pa? Pi divided by 3 minus pi divided by 4. When you take cross multiply 4 3s are 12. 4 pi minus 3 pi which is equal to pi divided by 12. Answer ma? D answer. Okay. Answer D. Ma, kindly just listen. I will complete next also. For next 22 Raja, I is equal to integral 0 to 2 divided by 3. 1 divided by 4 we can write as 2 square plus 9 we can write 3x the whole square into dx. So this is also look like what Raja? Tan inverse only again. A square plus x square formula da. Day 1 divided by a square plus x square into dx na 1 divided by a tan inverse x divided by a plus c, am right? This one in that format we have. So 1 divided by a value 2 and tan inverse 3x divided by 2. What is that? Limit 0 to 2 by 3. But what we have to divide? Listen, coefficient of x whatever you should divide. Coefficient of x we have 3. 3 if we take outside na 2 3s are 6. Apply the upper limit. So tan inverse of 3 divided by 2 into x value what na 2 by 3 minus tan inverse of 3 by 2 into 0. So what I am getting? 1 by 6 into 3 3 cancel 2 2 cancel na 1. Here 0 and anything 0. So that what I am getting here? Pi by 4 minus 0. Pi by 4 minus 0. When you product 1 into pi pi, 6 4s are 24. What is the option ma? Pi by 24. Option C pa. Option C. That's it ma. The exercise is over. Thank you children. Next video I will come with exercise number 20. Sorry. 7.9. Right, sorry, 9.